Hey guys, this is Trusit from Manik, and Android Q has been announced today from Google. So it is available only for the Pixel devices. So you have the Pixel phones, Pixel XL or Pixel 2, Pixel 3, Pixel 2 XL, the whole range of Pixel phones. This is available to all of them, and Android Q has really came out with a lot of changes. I see from making the privacy stronger, to making the sharing part easier. Even what we saw in Android Pie was the changes were basically on UI and UX. The user interface and user experience was changed than much internal changes. But in Android Q we can see a lot of internal changes. Even the Wi-Fi performance is expected to be better, and you can see here what's in Android Q. So behavior changes, system changes that may affect your app when it's running on Android Q. As I told, privacy features, and there are new features and APIs for foldable phones. And as I told, for sharing connectivity, as I told, Wi-Fi has been made much better. Wi-Fi connections would be better now, and a lot of changes from media and an API, biometric, and a lot of things. So this is currently available only on Pixel phones. So if you have a Pixel phone, you can just get Android Q beta. So for this, you just need to come to this website of Android developers. I'll just give the link in the description. So as you come here, you get this thing, that how can you get started with Android Q beta. You can read this. I'm making it a bit fast. So what you need to do is you have to enroll a Pixel device. From this link you can see enroll a Pixel device link. Then there is the whole guide how you have to do the stuff. So you can just update your Android device. If you are on Android Pixel device, then it's like great, and we are expecting Android Q beta to come to other devices soon. Okay, now coming to my channel stuff. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. A lot of great content is waiting. So for now I'm just making some screen record videos and uploading them, because my exams are going on still. As my exams get finished, I am going to come with some good stuff. And also, if not seen my trailer for my Refine 2018, please you can go to the description. I will put the link. You can go there and check that video out. And a lot of great stuff's coming on, so stay tuned to my channel and subscribe my channel, like the video if you liked what I told. So that's all for the day. Bye guys.